Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the massage gun. Let's quickly head into the video. So this is my new gun massager that I bought from Amazon. So let's unpack it. So it comes in a very user-friendly bag. It's a very beautiful case, very portable. And let's see the main product. So here is the device. So here is the look and feel of the massager. You can see it. It's very handy and very ergonomic, easy to handle it, and it's really lightweight. So you can easily carry it on and in any place. And the best part in this is it's cordless, so you don't really need it to charge it while using. You simply charge it beforehand and you can simply take it out wherever you want to, or you can use it while resting also on your bed. If your socket is not nearby, you can easily use it. So I find it's really good. And talking about the other thing, you'll get in this bag Type-C charging port, a user manual, and also comes with a 12-month warranty card. So you can go through this manual. Now coming back to the main product. So with this device you'll get 4 attachment. There is 4 head attachment that you need to use. So let's talk about each of this. So this one is the spherical head. So I'll show you how to use it. You just need to put some pressure and it's inside now. And on the device you'll find some indicator, as you can see here. So on the bottom part you'll find the power supply indicator. So there are 4 levels. So let's on it first. So as you can see, there are 3 lights blinking. That means it's 75% charge. And on the top part you'll find there are 3 indicators. So that is for the intensity level. Based on your choice. And the maximum speed that you can get in this device is 2800 rotation per minute. So that you can choose. So it's a very efficient and comfy massager, and it works with a very high torque technology with a very less or noise free of less than 10 decibel. Only this massage gun is equipped with intelligent timing protection. That means that it can auto off after 10 minutes of use. So it can really avoid any accident or any damage while using also. Now let's try on my hand. So it's really helped to relieve any muscle soreness and stiffness. Not only this, it also helps in blood circulation. So right now I'm using this spherical head. So there are different heads designed to target the specific area. So this one, the spherical one, it helps to relax your stiff muscles and also stimulate the circulation of blood and releases the lactic acid. The other one here, the U-shaped one, this is specially for the neck area, for the spinal cord area to massage. Likewise, there are other 2, the flat head and the bullet head. This one is the bullet head, and this one is designed specifically for joints area. And the flat one here, it's to relax the body muscles, and it gives you a deep tissue massage. So based on your area, you can target what issue you have. So for me, I find it's really a best product to buy on, because the best part, as I told you previously also, that it is cordless, so I can simply relax on bed, or even if I can take it while moving out. So that's the best part. So if you like this product, you can buy it in Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. That's all about this product. Thank you.